Hello kid, today we are going to know about the feet of the transport. Surprised? Well, let me tell you. So what do you see over here? Well, over here we can see different types of transport like the bus, the bicycle and the car. So, can you find out what is common among all of these transport? Well, it is the wheels. Over here, if you see, the bus has got wheels, the bicycle has got wheels, and even the car has got wheels. So, wheels are very important for most of the transport because it is the part of the vehicle which helps them to move. See, these are the different types of transport and these are the different types of wheels. So, different transport have got different types of wheels. So, since we saw that wheel is very important for most of the transport, let's find out how it was invented. Well, the wheel was invented many years ago. So, people are not very sure as when it was invented. But most of them believe that the wheel was invented by the early man. The early man was the most primitive type of mankind. They lived in jungles, they ate raw flesh. So, these were the early man. Now, from where do you think the early man got their food? Well, they had to go for hunting. So, they had to travel long distances and go to the jungle. And there they had to catch the animals. See, over here, the early man are hunting for the food. So, after the hunting was done and the prey was killed, they had to carry it back to their home. So, again they had to travel a long distance along with the dead animal. So, don't you think it was tiring? Of course it was. After the whole day, carrying that huge load on the shoulder was very difficult for them. So, they had to carry the dead animals back home. Now, as we all know the famous saying that necessity is the mother of invention. So, the early man also felt the need of inventing some form of transport which would help them in transporting the dead animals from the jungles to their home. So, one day the early man saw a heavy log of wood came rolling down the hill. So, he wanted to lift it, but it was too heavy. So, he thought of pushing it as well, but the wooden log kept on rolling. So, he was very surprised that he was able to push it very easily. So, now what did he do? Well, he cut the logs into circular shaped wheels. So, this is how the first wheel was formed. So, what did he do over here? Well, he took the log and cut it into circular shaped wheels. Do you know why was it cut into circular shape? Because that shape was helping the wooden log to roll and move forward easily. So now they formed the first form of transport. So what did they do over here? So then they attached a wooden piece to these wheels and then a wooden cart was formed. So in this way they formed the first form of transport. So now let's see how this wooden cart helped them. See, now after hunting they did not have to carry the heavy animals back home on their shoulders. Now they could easily use the wooden cart and transport the animals back home. So, As years passed by, human beings formed a new type of transport where they attached the cart to the animals. So in this way, the bullock cart with wheels was formed. Not only with bullocks, even the horse cart was also popular for transport. So here the horses were attached to the cart. So even now you can see wheels are so very important to us that in most of our transport that we use in our day-to-day activities also have wheels, because wheels help them to move, and this circular shape is so important that even today wheels are made in the same shape. So I have a question for you. Dash are an important part of vehicles which help them to move. Is it option 1 head, option 2 wheels, or option 3 seat? Let me tell you. Well, the wheels are the most important part of the vehicles which help them to move. So, wheels is the right option and head and seat are the wrong options. So, now my dear kid, you know that wheels are the feet of the vehicles and the wheels help them to move. So, over here we see the different types of transport like bus, bicycle, auto rickshaw, horse cart, car and bike. And all of these forms have one common thing, that is wheels. So, wheels are very important for transport. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.